Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Shabrion Kenya. Today we are making these delicious samosas. And guys, what about these samosas, guys? Sweet, healthy. Let's start this video. This is about 3 cups of flour. Make sure you 3 cups of flour, and then I'm going to be adding salt. You're going to see in a minute. That is salt, about 1 tablespoon of salt. And then just mix it well. This is cold warm water. This is lukewarm water. And then mix it well. Look at that. Make sure the dough, you're mixing it well. Make sure it becomes soft in the inside. Everything should be soft here. Make the dough. Look at this. I'm going to be adding some water. As you see, my dough was not perfectly done, but this took like 5 minutes to do the dough. And guys, this is a very simple way to make this dough. The samosa dough is very easy. Look at that now. Look at how soft it is. And then in a minute, I'm going to be adding some oil, vegetable oil. And then this is going to make your, when you put them in the pan, they cannot stick, and they're going to be very soft on the outside and even in the inside. Look at that. Look at those hands, guys. Kanda hiyo unga kabisa. Cheki. Remember, kitchen haitaki uzembe. Now cover your dough with a clean film and make sure that clean film is very good. No air spaces should enter the dough. And then cover it with a towel. As you see me there, I'm covering with a towel. Now guys, let's make the beef. I'm going to be boiling my minced meat for about 10 minutes. As I mix there, I chop my onions, my dhania, garlic, ginger. I paste them. And look at this. Look at those onions. This is spring onions. I'm not using the other onions. Now look at this. This is ginger paste and garlic paste and the coriander. Now our meat has boiled and is looking good. Look at that. And now we add some salt, about a pinch of salt for taste. Mix it well. Then I'm going to be adding onions and the ginger and garlic paste. Then the fresh oil. Mix it well. Remember the spring onions, they give it the flavor. They are very flavorful in minced meat. And also when you're making samosas, make sure you're using these spring onions. Now I cover it for some time, about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then I add my coriander, and now we have finished cooking the stew. Now we're going to go to the dough, but you mix that coriander very well. Look at that. Guys, this is skill. Cooking in the kitchen does not need laziness. You switch off the... Now we're going to be portioning the dough in portions, in just small portions, and make sure you're cutting them very well. Small portions, and then make some balls like that. From those portions you have made, make some balls. Make sure they are round. And me, I'm doing about 10 or 12 like this. Then guys, I'm going to be showing you as I roll my dough. I'm using a specific style, and make sure you tune in for that style. Now look at this. Now this is my style, guys. I make it thin. Make the dough very thin. Make the dough thinner, as thin as you can go, guys. If your pan is big, make sure the dough is very thin. Very thin. And then guys, hot pan. Make sure your pan is very hot. And now I flip the sides, and then I remove. That is 1, 2. Make sure these are the just recurring steps. That's the way I've done. Just recur the steps. All those steps, just recur them. And now cut your cooked dough in half. Mine I'm cutting in half. You can choose to cut them even in quarters, but my dough was not that big enough. I decided to cut them in halves. So when I cut them in half, look at that. Look at how they are. They are very, very soft. You're going to see at the end. Make sure guys you're tuning until the end. You see me enjoying these delicious samosas, because this is going to be a very, very, look at how soft they are. You can see even me flipping them. And now guys, I'm going to be putting in my fillings, my beef fillings. And this is a paste that I made with the flour and some water. And when it thickens, that is the glue you're going to be using. That is the most appropriate glue to use. And now look at that pocket. Very, very satisfying pocket that is. And now I'm adding some beef stew there, then the glue again, and then I cover it very well. Do this to all these portions, these half portions. Look at this other one. If you do not understand that, you look at this next one. Just do like that, and then you have a pocket, an easy pocket, and then close it. Easy as that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And now when you do that to all your pockets, make sure you're putting them at one place. Look at that. One, yeah. Another one. Oh yeah. Now come to deep fry. This is hot oil. Very hot oil. I'm going to be deep frying 3. And guys, if you want to know that your samosas are ready, they are golden brown on both sides. Golden brown everywhere. For about 3 to 5 minutes, they are going to be ready. 3 of them. And then you flip them. You continue flipping them. Flip them. Those are 3. Then make sure you are removing the excess oil. You see where I'm putting them, I have some serviettes. So make sure, look at those. Crunchy guys. All of them, they are very crunchy. Now enjoy me enjoying the samosas, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. And now the next video, you're going to see me enjoying it. Look at that. I served with a cold Coca-Cola. Very cold Coca-Cola.
I want to enjoy some samosa.
When you're eating, see me enjoy, guys.
So huge. Also, I have some lemon, so.
Hear the crunch. What a crunch.
This is my first bite. Look at that. Make sure some lemon. Another bite. That's the taste of the lemon. Wow. Another squeeze of the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Look at you. Crunchy on the outside and smooth on the inside. Very perfect. Wow. Guys, make sure you're trying this recipe and enjoy this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Love you guys. Peace. Please enjoy it with me this last one. Make your mother this for Mother's Day. Make sure I like it.